What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and thank you for being here. Today, I was able to bring back all the losses for the past couple days, and I basically kind of like got back to where I was 3 days ago. So right here, as you can see, the balance is 2,400. Now the balance is $2,458 after taking two losing days and then bouncing back and kind of like being break even. I'm gonna go through with you with the trade I took today. It was pretty awesome trade, to be honest, in my opinion. I followed my rules today. I did not want to jump in any moving momental did not want to jump in any moving momentum candles just because it's moving in front of me, and I just respected my rules, and I followed them, and I got a real setup, and that is all it was for today. And I just locked my accounts manually so I don't touch them again to kind of help with my discipline. So I think overall today was pretty good. I am honestly really proud of myself for following my rules and all of that. I will show you the trade I took and my executions as well. So let's get right into it. So coming into the day, I was bullish and bearish at the same time. So where we were like right here. So market open is 8:30 my time. So right here, this line, I put it right there so we can all see where the day started. I came to the day, I was bullish because of this hourly. So as you can see here, this is an inversion fair value gap that we created, and then we came back down to retest that inversion fair value gap, and then we bounced back from it. So where was my target supposed to be? My target was supposed to be these kind of relative equal highs. So that was my draw on liquidity for today. I'm not gonna say that I was bearish. Actually, I was just bullish, but it was to this high. But I was saying that maybe bearish as well. Not because I'm seeing all of this dump, is because I did not know if we would inverse it or like close this gap fully or react from it, turtle soup, just like we did here, and then dump down. So overall, my draw on liquidity for like a short amount of time was bullish. I know the draw on liquidity or the long-term bias for the market is bearish, and we're actually going, what I am thinking of about is actually going to take out this low right here. Not in a full shot, not in one shot, but I think this is what the drawn liquidity is on the higher time frame. But focusing on the lower time frame, because we only take like let's say 10-minute or 30 minutes trade, so you only think about it in this perspective. So I'm gonna open my executions here and I'll show you what trades I took and all of that. So I was right here. I'll explain why this looks like that, and I'll show you right here my trades. So this is my actual trade. It's an actual setup and all of that. I took it at 31. So 31 is right here, right after this candle closed at this inverse. Why did I take the trade? Because as I said, my drawn liquidity was this line right here on the 15 minutes. It was a high. Why did I take this trade? We are delivering from a bullish fair value gap. We had an amazing low-hanging fruit right here that the market likes to draw to. So we took this swing low, reacted from the bullish fair value gap. We had a bearish fair value gap here. We inversed it. My entry was right here. Break even after hitting this high, and this was before market open. So market open is 8:30 my time, which is 9:30 New York time. We came down with market open and kind of retested this right here. Now drawing your attention to this right here. What is this? This is a breaker block. Why is it a breaker block? We came down, swept a low, and then closed above. Why did we close above? Because this is a breaker, now turning this into a bullish breaker. We came back down to retest from it, the first step, and then off we go. So this is why this is a bullish breaker. And I did, when I moved my stop loss break even, I actually moved it to this low right here, and then I let it run to my take profit. So let's go to the 30 seconds and let me hide my execution and then show them again, because a lot of time it's just do some weird stuff. So I took it with 5 contracts, as you can see here, and I took let me see, right here on this candle I took I don't know, honestly. So I did scale some, so it's not all of them on the same thing. So right here, ignore these 2 things. It was all with this right here. So the first target was 84. So 84 is like right here. So we're gonna 84. So this is the final target, which is what I took the 2 off, and I took 111. I think those are all 3. Yeah, I don't know why it shows like that. I took 3 off at 65. So 65 was this, and I'll show you why this is a target for me. So this was a target because of, actually, yeah, I was a bit greedy, maybe. It was just right above this swing high. Okay, so yeah, I think I pushed it up. I pushed the target or the TP a little bit up above these relative equal high. That's, I think, what happened. But my full on take profit was right here, as we said. Why? Because this is the 15-minute swing high that's inside of the void. I'm not sure. I'm not gambling if it's gonna break it, cover it, like close the void or react from it or all of that. I'm just taking my profit and I'm leaving. I don't know what will happen after that. I don't want to know. Then that's what happened. So that's why I took my trade and I left. I manually locked my accounts, and I'm really happy of my decision. Actually, there was also different trades that I saw, but I did not do any actions about them because I already was I took my trades and I left. That's all. So right here there was a good setup as well. That was right around 10:36 my time, which is by New York time is 11:36. There's this short right here, and you can take it to this low right here, $55. Your stop loss would be right here. Okay, and there is also another trade. Let me see. This was also a good one on the 30-second chart, I'm pretty sure. You can count this if you want, but this one was also something that is pretty obvious. On the 30-second chart, it will be much clearer. So right here, so you see this 30 seconds trade right here plays out. This was also a really good setups. And why are these good setups? Because they're all the same setup that I would have taken. This is a bearish fair value gap, sweep of a liquidity inside of a bearish fair value gap, an inverse, and then take it to the draw on liquidity right here. This was also good because it was around macro timing. That's why it's also a good trade. And all of them are pretty high probability setups, and they're really good RR setups. They give you pretty well good RR setups. Also, another thing I want to mention is my TradeOvate account, or my MyFundedFutures account that is connected to TradeOvate or TradingView. I have blown it today because I am dumb. And I was taking setups after I don't trade them together. So I don't trade Topstep and my funded future accounts together. My Topsteps account, after I took that beautiful trade, I locked it out, and that's it. My funded futures, I got stuck here. I was trying to take impulsive trades, and I did not trade it well. I traded very poorly. There were no setups, actual setups behind it. I was trying to long and short at the same time right here in this consolidation area, and it caused me to lose the rest of all my drawdown, and that is it for that account. So but yeah, that's all for today's video, guys. I just want to quickly give you the status of my Topstep accounts and my funded future accounts. And that is all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Let me know down in the comments below, how did you do today? If you are red, green, just let me know, because the past couple days been so tough and the market is ridiculous. So let's just have a quick conversation, maybe in the comments section, or if you want to go to my Discord, we can have a little conversation there. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Peace.